Ugh! Is your Tineco iFloor 5 leaving more mess than it's cleaning? Well, you're not alone. A common problem we see with the Tineco iFloor 5 is a broken hose and internal buildup of dirt and grime. So, what's the deal? That flexible hose inside can crack or split over time, especially with frequent use. It's constantly being bent and twisted, and eventually it just gives way. Ignoring that little leak isn't just about a bit of extra water. A broken hose means reduced suction, poor cleaning performance, and the potential for dirty water and grime to build up inside the machine. That buildup can lead to motor problems, funky smells, and even stop your Tineco dead in its tracks. But don't despair! RoboCare is here to help. Our technicians have years of experience diagnosing and repairing these specific issues on the Tineco vacuum cleaner. We know its quirks inside and out. Here's how we approach it. First, we completely disassemble your iFloor 5 to access the damaged hose and internal components. Then, we carefully remove the broken hose and replace it with a genuine replacement. Next comes the deep cleaning. We use specialized cleaning solutions and techniques to thoroughly remove all the built-up dirt, grime, and bacteria that can accumulate inside the machine. This includes the water tanks, the brush roll housing, and all internal tubing. This not only fixes the immediate problem, but also helps prevent future issues and extends the life of your iFloor 5. But talk is cheap, right? Let us show you the kind of amazing results we consistently deliver. After RoboCare's expert repair, the Tineco iFloor 5 is back in action. Powerful suction, deep cleaning, and a spotless floor, just like new. After we returned the vacuum cleaner to the customer, they were thrilled, exclaiming that it performed just like brand new. Contact RoboCare today for expert Tineco vacuum cleaner repair. Fast turnaround, genuine parts, and guaranteed satisfaction. Visit our website or give us a call